been away for a little while.
Bruh.
But I'm back and I'm ready to do a lot of recording for you guys. Sis just kind of fell off because of all the work, and then the pandemic happened. Then we were doing double uploads. But I am back, I am ready. I'm trying to get used to this new layout because we've moved and everything. So I'm gonna get started. So I'm rocking the 27. And I want to go for like something kind of regal, and I'm wearing a little olive dress, and I already have on foundation. So yeah, how you guys been doing? I know it's been like a few months. Yeah, I want to do like just something soft. So yeah, my eyebrows are already done. I'm gonna start off with just a soft little tan. That look white. Okay, whatever. It's tan. And no, this is probably not the right brush, but guys, when I'm in the store, I have to like restock up on everything, because as far as makeup, I've ran out a lot of things, because like with this whole COVID thing, I don't even like shopping anymore because it's just kind of stressful. But I'm gonna bring the tan up there at my brow line. And eventually I might go in and make it pop more, but this is just like a little guideline for me. I don't know why I always start there first. Okay, so now I want to go like with a peachy pink. That's peachy. I have like a lot of pinks to choose from, a lot of different shades. But also, like on this channel, I stepped away because I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to just keep doing makeup videos, because like, first of all, the process of makeup is long. Like, it took me a while. And the peach, by the way. I stepped away because I wasn't really sure what I want to do as far as this channel. Like, it's a lot more to me than just makeup. And I started off as makeup because I was like, yeah, makeup. Like, even with channels that do only makeup, like if that's their thing, but that's not what I want my channel to be. I want it to be a variety of things. So yeah, I'm gonna surprise y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm working on, but you guys are gonna see more of Key, more of my personality. You know, I feel like although I've had this channel for like a year now, I feel like a lot of people still don't really know me. And it's a little bit different because a lot of times I tried like the voiceover method, and that is slightly annoying. Do I like this? But yeah, y'all, expect more makeup videos and other things. And other things. Not singing though. Just make that clear. If I could sing, I would be singing like all of the time. Okay, I think I like that. But y'all, it took me forever, like, with this hairstyle. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but my eyebrows are slightly different. I tried to like lighten them, but I'm afraid to like dye them because I don't know if I want that. So I just added I added like concealer, hoping that it would kind of like lighten it up a bit. It's softer. It works with this hair. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to add the green. Okay, that we're getting somewhere now. All right, I'm gonna do my other eyelid. I'm feeling it. Are y'all feeling it? Okay. So I want a little bit lighter. I like it. It's soft. Girl about to look good for Instagram. Because I can't go anywhere except my back porch. And that's another thing. Like, I haven't, like, even with my nails, I like my nails. It's like the first time I've done them in a while. Can't go anywhere. But... And then, like, with cleaning and everything, it is kind of annoying. Because, like, low-key, they chip a lot. I like this. I like this. Okay, I'm really feeling this. This olive green. Oh. Low-key, I'm not used to them though, because I started growing these out. Am I ashy again? Yo, this lotion sucks. I got it from the dollar store, but so that's what I get. And then look, because I'm like washing my hands like I don't know how many times an hour, it's like drying out. I'm gonna have to exfoliate. But yeah, this stuff sucks. Like, you see this little dollar store stuff, just walk past it. It's trash. I bet y'all I'm gonna be ashy again in about 30 seconds. So now that I have this going on, it's soft. Let me just add a little shimmer to the top of my brow line. Oh yeah. If you're wondering why I'm using the smudge brush, it's because I lost the other ones. I'm gonna have to go back and buy a whole bunch of stuff. Time for the hard part. So I'm gonna wear these fluffy eyelashes. I should have had the hair dryer. I don't have my fan. Low-key, I've been using a blow dryer. I'm starting to feel it even more. So now I'm going to add some blush to look like I'm blushing, even though I don't. I just kind of like pat it in and kind of like go up the cheek a little bit. Yeah, I like the blush. To me, it's like it pulls everything together. Okay, so that's the blush. Oh, I'm liking this look. I'm liking this look. Okay, and I think I'm just I'm putting it on my nose. Sometimes I put a little blush on my nose because it's kind of cute. I've seen like the E girls do it, and it like gives this like cutesy look to it. And then sometimes they add like the fake freckles. But I like the look. And sometimes I'll add like that, you know, the blush, and put the highlighter on top of it. I ran out of highlighter too. Should I do the highlighter? I do the highlighter. So I have this powder. When I said I ran out of highlighter, I meant my liquid highlighter. Can't even speak. And I'm trying to attempt to use the smudge. I don't like powder highlighter because, oh my gosh, this is why. And I know they have like those little brushes. I might have to get that because for so long I was just using my little drops. I didn't need the brush, but now I need the brush. Oh gosh. And I actually had more of this stuff. This was the stuff I had spilled on the carpet. Oh my gosh. I was able to get it off the carpet, but still, like, I was freaking out. And I'm seriously just patting this in. I'm gonna try to rub it in as best as I can. This is like a low-key ghetto makeup tutorial because I don't even have all my stuff with me. Oh my gosh. I mean, I've got through it, but it's ghetto. I guess I'm gonna have to remember to rewrite a list because when I started this channel, I was excited. I was like, okay, I gotta get this, I'm gonna get this. And now I have to rewrite the list. I need liquid highlighter. Even though when I went over there, I didn't see it like a couple of times. I don't know what's going on. And I threw the bottle away, so I'm gonna have to try to Google what the brand even was. I think it was CoverGirl. It was either CoverGirl or L'Oreal. I don't know. I'm talking too much. So now I'm about to put on lipstick. Okay. I need some more of this too. I've been liking the peachy look. You're my angel. So, dang, I don't feel like getting up. Okay, so now I have that, and I try to like ombre my lips a lot of times because it makes it look fuller, and then it also like helps because like I guess it helps make it look better because sometimes like that look kind of weird with just bright pink lips. But now that I've ombre'd it, look more like put together. Ew. And there you have it, guys. Yes. Oh, your hairpins. put a random pen there. Let me take that out. That's not sexy. And ow. Alright. I'm done. And I'm ashy again. See, I know it. I know it. Yeah, there's a lot of things I gotta order, unfortunately. So I thought quarantine would have been over by now. I thought the pandemic would have been over, but I'm really feeling this, y'all. Look at that. Oh, looking like a black Barbie. I'm so irritated. Okay, y'all. So this is the look. This is like a soft. This color, by the way, this is a 27. So thank you guys for watching this video. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any like anything you want to see me do, reviews, just any type of content that you guys would like to see me do, because I have ideas, but it's really what do you guys want to see from me. But yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys, and I'm back, and I'm excited, and I can't wait to put out these amazing videos, you know what I'm saying. Again, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.